Can you talk for Daddy? Huh? Can you talk? Can you not fuss and can you talk? Huh? Hi. Can you smile? 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 Come on. Come on. I get you. I get you, get you, get you, get you. Talkative. No, no fussing. No. Can you kick? Huh? Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. You look like Jello now. Jello, Jello, Jello. Jiggly, jiggly. Can you smile? Can you smile? Hi. Yes. Can you smile? Very talkative. Very talkative. What? What's your trouble? What? Hey. Can you smile? No? You don't want to? No, no fussing. You're just yelling at me. Yeah. What? What? Oh, really? You're gonna be fussy for Daddy? Okay. That's what you get to come home to. Yeah. You tell Daddy. You say, we want you home now. Right now. Okay. All right. Say, I love you, Daddy. Say, I love you. Okay. I'll stop torturing our daughter now. I love you. Bye.